Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and home of the NOLA Southern Experience. How y'all guys doing? I am back to teach you another line dance. This dance is the easy peasy. We get ready for the NOLA Southern Experience. I'm excited and I hope that you are too. We are getting ready. The name of this line dance is NLX Ladies Night, and it is a 4-wall dance that move counterclockwise, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, if you're in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you want to dance alone, we want to dance together, watch till the end and click. I'll put the demo right here with the music. And let's get started. So let's stand on this wall right here. I'm going to stand over here. I want you to stand on the side, looking in this direction. So the first thing we're going to do is walk to the right and walk to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right tap, left, left, right, left, out, right. So we're going to tap out on the right because that's going to be our transition to the next step, okay? 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, 5, 6, 7, out, 8, okay? You got that right out. You're going to do a sailor step, right, then a coaster step, left, right, left. Again, the right heel is out, sailor step, right, back on the left, coaster step, okay? From here, your weight is on the left. You're going to take it your right, you're going to bring it up, bring it across, tap forward and back, and roll. When you roll, your weight goes to your right. So the weight is on the left. You tap across, tap front and back, and then roll. When you roll, the weight goes to your right. So let's put that together. Walking to the right, walk to the left, tap out on the right, sailor right, left, coaster step, left, left. Forward and back. You're going across, tapping right in front of the left leg. Forward, back, and roll. All right? Let me give you tell you something about the coaster step. The sailor step is right, left. The coaster step is left, left. It's 1, 2, 3, sailor step, 1, 2, 3. Coaster step is 1, 2, 3. The difference is the sailor step comes behind you. Right, left. You're coming back towards your left. Right, left. The coaster step, you're coming back. Coaster step, and then stepping forward, okay? So it can almost look the same, but it isn't. Sailor step, you come right, left. Coaster step is left, left. Okay, so just giving you a little hint, because some people take the coaster step and make it a sailor step. In other words, they might do like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, but she's actually doing 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, just make a note of that. Here we go. From the top, walking to the right, walking to the left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. 1 and 2, back, 3 and 4, tap. 5, 6, roll 7, 8. Roll 7, 8. So switching my weight from the left to the right. When I switch it to the right, my left heel come up, I'm going to shuffle up. Left, left. Again, my weight is on the right, my left heel comes up, I shuffle up left. Left, left. Then I'm going to slide back. Left, right, left. Switch my weight to the left. So I slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you this. Slide back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switching my weight to my left. So let's do that. Shuffle up on the left, shuffle up on the right. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left. Okay, so my weight is on my left. Let's put that together from the top. Walking to the right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. Sailor 1 and 2, coaster 3 and 4, cross. 5, 6, row 7, 8, shuffle left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is on the left. From here, my right heel comes up. I'm going to do a right rocking chair. 1, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that finishes the dance. So I do a rocking chair, right, left, then I tap forward and back, forward and back. And my weight is still on the left, and I'm going to walk to the next wall, making that turn to the left. This dance moves counterclockwise. So let's walk. 5, 6, 7, and make that turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. 1 and 2, coaster 3 and 4, cross tap. 5, 6, row 7, 8. Shuffle left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, my weight is on the left. I'm ready to start the dance over, and I'm going to make that quarter turn to my left. Walk. 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. Don't forget about tapping out on your right, okay? That's your transition to make it smooth. Sailor step. 1 and 2, coaster 3 and 4, cross tap. 5, 6, row 7, 8. To switch that weight to the right, to shuffle up on the left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, front and back. 5, 6, 7, 8. My weight is on my left and my right heel is up, and I walk to the next wall. And that's your dance. NLX Ladies Night. Ladies Night. I'm going to post a demo. Let's dance together. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button because each and every time I upload a video, it's going to notify you that I did so. Okay, leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.